And we have a large, comprehensive, well-funded career center. I can assure you that that's not the case in most universities. It was a presidential priority, and so it's really been built up really well. And it's right in the center of the campus. We are close to New York, we are close to New Jersey, we are close to DC, we are close to Philadelphia, right? So these things allow international students to interact while at Towson with an ecosystem. They can feel safe within Towson, within its systems, but really they can interact with the industry in the local area. And that is really what they are here for. I could make a better decision for myself from 20 years ago. I would not go to a university that is in the middle of nowhere. I would go to a university like Towson that really is entrenched in the ecosystem around it.